Three men are sitting naked in the sauna. Suddenly there is a beeping sound. The first man presses his forearm and the beeping stops. The others look at him questioningly. That's my pager, he says. I have a microchip under the skin of my arm. A few minutes later a phone rings. The second man lifts his palm to his ear. When he finishes he explains. That's my mobile phone. I have a microchip in my hand. The third man, feeling decidedly low-tech, steps out of the sauna. In a few minutes he returns with a piece of toilet paper extending from his rear. The others raise their eyebrows. I'm getting a fax, he explains.